welcome to our video.
Hello!
Welcome to our vlog!
Celebration since a lot of us will be going. It's our last week. And this is our message for Madam Marge. Oh, you start, Ate Marge.
Ako, what will I say? Well, I'll be the first one to go, sadly. But that's life. We come and go. People come and go in our lives. But the most important is the friendship. Thank you for the friendship, guys. And for Miss Marge, thank you for your patience, your kindness, and continue what you're doing. Good luck to your new account, of course. God bless. Love you.
Yes.
Oh, next
Um,
beautiful lady. Show your heart.
I'm sad.
Oh.
I'm really sad, but it's life. I will really miss this, us being together, sharing our good and bad moments. You guys were my second family, especially here in the Philippines. It's not easy to wake up in the morning and come to work, because after work you don't really have something else to do apart from work. So
You should start your own vlog.
it, it's not really easy.
Wait, the tears is
It's
coming.
It's really hard. It's really hard. So I really appreciate all your help, guys. You have been so helpful for me, especially you alone. I have a special message for you. But since we are going to do this in this video, I would like to thank you very much. I don't know, even thank you is not enough, and it is not the word, but I really thank you for all you have been doing for me. You have really been patient, because I know I'm a very difficult person. Yeah, you have really been patient. Thank you so much for your patience, and for always being there for me, guiding me, helping me, supporting me, no matter what. Thank you so much. And for you, Miss March, you have been so tough with me, not only me, everyone. All what I can tell you right now is that it's sincere. I really love you, and I do appreciate the way you have been treating us here. Yeah, it has helped me to grow. When I was coming to this account, I was a very timid person, someone that could not talk but speak. You have really pushed me to a certain level, so I really thank you for that. I just hope maybe in the next account we'll meet, or I don't know. So this is all what I can say.
Hey. Next.
She's so
You,
sad.
Shirley. Sylvie.
But it's
Miss
What can I
Telecom.
say?
Just say
It was a good gathering. We always together, always partner, always sharing ideas. Although it was not too easy at the beginning, but we get to understand ourselves and we move on. So it's very sad to me that maybe we will not be like this again. So, but anyhow, since as according to what Bosby said, is for education, learning, and achievement. So we give thanks to God for everything. And for you, hello. I want to thank you so much, because when I came into the team, you were there for me. Even when I left NA, we still keep in touch,
of
and
course.
everything move well. And for Atemais, I know you're the first to leave. I wish you success, all the good thing in your new account, and we are all in IBM.
see each
we'll keep
other.
on see each other.
Mhm.
And for what's it,
Yes.
I want to appreciate you so much
Okay.
because when I started, you were there, you were assisting me for the French in
Yes.
NA. So I'm so happy. And for Miss March, although it was not too bad, we finally understand
Yeah.
ourselves. Just that maybe I don't know, maybe it's a communication and the whatsoever, but after we learn to know ourselves and everything. So I wish all of us good luck and happy stay in IBM.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hello. So next is Rosette. Very sad moment. Farewells. I'm not good at it. However, I would like to appreciate the account. I'd like to appreciate the team for the teamwork. And if I look at my mood marbles every day, I used to put account a squad collaboration or squad collaboration. That's the reason that gives me joy, and every time I'm super satisfied. So it was a really good teamwork team first, and then we had a good um, memories of the team, starting by Mirianda, sharing of Mirianda, yes, sharing of Mirianda's potluck, Monita, and
I
Sure.
even missed that.
yeah, sharing of knowledge as well. We didn't. No one was stingy with what she knew. So anytime you needed something from, especially the CM Alo and the team lead, the Miss March, they taught us. They explained things. So I'm really grateful. I can say that from this account, I added a plus to my professional knowledge. And can I start naming them? Let me just say few of them. Thank you, Miss March, for the various reports that you taught me.
Yeah.
Thank you for the daily dashboard, though it was through Alo. However, I know that you pushed it and I learned it today. I can say to a certain level.
Expert.
Yeah.
Level 1000.
Yes, I've increased. I've learned. I've grown to a certain level when it comes to reports. Thank you so very much, Miss March. Thank you for your patience as well, and thank you for being there for us. I know that at times you used to say, "Guys, today I'm in my my bad mood," so we will know
there's a
that today.
disclaimer.
Yeah, we will know that today. Don't mess with me, Miss
Yeah.
March. So,
Mhm.
you were very very kind, and I know that maybe we didn't understand you very well. Also, that's your way of showing love to us. So, thank you so very much, Miss March. Hello, thank you as well, Alora.
Laura Marie Pertanggal.
Yes, thank you so very much for being there for us.
Yes.
Anytime we disturb you, sometimes Miss Marge will pitch you and say, "Leave Alo alone, let her various," but we keep coming back. We will send messages.
Keep on sending message.
Hello,
Keep on
just
asking.
the ticket. So, thank you for not getting tired of us, not giving up on us.
Especially the patient.
Thank you also for sharing your knowledge with us.
Yeah.
I'm really grateful. 30 miles.
Yeah.
Thank you so very much. Especially when
Yeah.
it comes to peer checking. No. She's very fast. Yes. Anytime you say
Yes.
like this, done 2 minutes, it's done. I say
Yeah.
thank you so very much because you were very collaborative and you assisted. Yeah, you assisted the team so very
Oh,
much.
you-
I'm grateful
You
for
share a
everybody.
message.
On this one, Maso. Maso, thanks for disturbing me. Because I had someone that at times who, maybe because the team did not hear, at times who will argue.
Yeah. I was wondering, are they arguing?
Over
I will
resolution.
say no fighting,
And at the end of the day, I said,
Yeah.
do whatever you like, continue the way you want it. So
thank you though, and it didn't mean that we don't love each other. We really grew together. It's very sad that we are parting ways at
It's
this
really
level.
sad. It's really sad.
How I wish that we have another account that we just do the reunification and then
But we will see each
yeah.
other.
Yeah, we will continue seeing each other. We will even
We'll do
through
potluck.
Slack.
In the
and
pandemic.
everything. So, thank you so very much, and I really appreciate everything that we've shared, the memories that we will keep from this team. God bless us. And okay, it's more Tagalog.
Tagalog, Rosa.
Okay,
Hey,
okay. I'll tell you. I'll say, thank you for Miss Marge. I said no. Maraming salamat for Miss Marge for sa oras mo for sa trabaho.
sorry.
And really appreciate. Thank you.
How can I touch
She's
that?
spying on us already, Taran. Spy,
Okay.
spy.
Bonjour.
French naman siya.
Je m'appelle. Okay. So, ayun. Thank you so much to everyone. Actually, last week,
Yun ang
we
isang
were-
iyak.
I was teary-eyed. Ate Miles and Miss Marge saw that I was teary-eyed when I learned that it was actually gonna be the last week for us. Yeah, so
Yes,
It's been
nakaside view ka kaya
fun.
sa camera.
It's
Ayun.
been- it's it's been fun spending my Rio Tinto days with you all. Oh no. We had our ups and downs, and hopefully we will continue only having ups from this moment on, since it's already ending. And
Oh, ganda naman.
I just want to
Miss
say
Marge.
I appreciate
Ayaw
everything
umagulo.
that you do.
Why didn't you look there and cry? Oh,
everything,
grabe.
and everything that you do, and the work that you put into the account, and especially for the team, it won't be as successful if you're not doing it. So,
Wow.
we appreciate especially Miss Marge. She has her own way of loving us. We all know that. And, she's not that verbal about it, but you will see it in her own little ways.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I hope you all know that she's appreciative, of course, in everything that we do, in the efforts that we put into them. So, we love you. I love you, Miss Marge. We love you all.
Si
Oh,
Mans
last
wala.
words, Miss Marge.
No, me first. Me first. Because Alo said, message for Miss Marge only. But since everybody
Yeah.
gave their own messages, so I'll do mine
Wait,
too.
God.
Yes, and I'll upload
Yes.
just to YouTube, guys.
Okay,
I'll
for,
share.
No, my tears.
for these ladies, when I was here on my first day, I got shocked. I'm thinking, how can I approach these girls, these ladies? But they're so very friendly, and I felt the warmth when they welcomed me. So I thank you guys for that. And you're very approachable, very friendly, especially Rosette. When I ask for process, for questions, she's always there to help me. Thank you so much. And for Miss Marge, of course, thank you for teaching me different responsibilities. I learned a lot. The dispatch, the error logs, everything. So the reports, yeah, I've learned a lot, and I'm sure I will bring them all to the next account.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, like what Alo said, you show your love in a different way, and we really,
Sama-sama akong
we
tao.
really felt that. No, it's not. You know, we all show our love in
Not
different
in a
way.
bad way.
People show by touching, by giving gifts. So we all have our own way to show
Yes.
our
Always
affection.
angry,
So you have your own way, and thank you so much for being patient, for being understanding, and I appreciate if when you tell me my mistakes with my calls. I really appreciate that because I learn from my mistakes,
Yeah.
and I'm used to that.
Oh.
I'm used to that.
Oh.
Of course, with Alo, thank you as what they say, for being,
Mag-iyakan na kayong dalawa kasi kayong
Patience.
dalawa yung
for being
trying
kind.
time.
Like them, I always ask questions and you're always there to answer. So thank you so much for sharing your knowledge, your talent. You know, of course I'm sad, but maybe because the reason why I don't look sad because it will be my sixth account. So
You're used to.
kumbaga, I'm used to this kind of situation, to this kind of scenario. But of course, the sadness is there. Of course, even if I stayed here for 1 year only, but of course, I felt the friendship. So I'm so happy here. Like what I told them. Like what I told them. It's a very relaxing account for me. So thank you guys for everything. I love you all. See you around. No goodbyes. Miss Marge.
For the last words, famous last words.
Tissue?
No last words. Guys, this is not the end and I can't find cap. So, maagulo din. Alright, so guys, it has been a pleasure being your team lead for the past how many years. So I've been with Alo and Rosette for the longest time. No, we have been together since 2021. So that's almost 3 years. Yeah. So when I first joined the team, it was actually my first time leading a team. Of course, Alo was there to help me because I don't know how to use DTMS. But anyway, what I love about this team is, despite my mood swings and, how I, teach them how to improve their skills, I can confidently say that, at least once they leave here, they have a lot of skills that they can bring with them.
A lot of takeaways.
And the most that I appreciate about them is, even if we don't really agree on everything, we at least, meet halfway to get the work done. Okay, and of course, we always make sure that we hit the goal. Though there were times that it has been difficult, but everybody
right.
has done their part, and I appreciate that very much. And even with these trying times where we had to go to work 4 times a week. And we never got that extra work from the but no, I'm not venting. I'm just saying that at least as a team
We made it.
we're solid, and
Yeah.
we were we stuck to our guns. It's either everybody works from home 2 times a week or not at all, or at least once a week only. So yeah, good luck, guys. I believe you have enough talent to make it through your new account. Good luck, and I wish you success. So let's proceed to the picture taking,
Yes.
guys. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Birthday, Rosette, Miles, and Alo. It has been a great 3 years being with you guys. So yeah, so thank you, and see you around.
Yeah, no goodbyes.
Eastwood. Come on. Yes.
Solid.
Thank you.